Morning, guys. How's it going? Very quick zones right here. Good morning. And then, thank you for joining. That was quick. That's back-to-back zone, so we'll worry about it when it gets there. Aditya, yeah, bro, let's go. Good morning, man. I think that zone has been tapped. Bro, as soon as 5 arrives, lovely to see that. Josh bro, Jashan bro, right? Good morning, B. How's it going? So, good morning, good morning. Welcome, welcome, people. Great as always. I love that, bro. Love the energy in the morning, man. Good morning, Amlada. Very good morning. Right, boys. I think this has been tapped. Fahat, hi Anna. Good morning. How are you? See, I can read Tamil, not not everything. I'm doing good. How are you? Very good morning. Has this been tapped in spot? Whoa, there's a huge gap in spot, and I don't think that's tapped, right? So, but as far as we're concerned, now it's officially tapped, right? There are two back-to-back zones, people. So you will have to be careful at this point. This has officially been tapped. If this zone, this that you see, as tapped will be really good. Guys, ready for an early morning trade? I actually like early morning trades, man. Good guy finally here. Arman, hi bro. How's it going, man? Sherry, very good morning, bro. Everyone's here, man. All right, before the next candle shows up, let's just quickly see if we have any news today. Holy, sorry. Today is the 2nd of July. Great start of the month, people. We'll get to that trade from yesterday, but for now, it's 2nd of July. Guys, we do have unemployment rate in the evening, and that's why we don't trade New York sessions. We don't like news, people. Let's just refresh this so that we have some POE's Bailey decision to raise rates was based on softening economy. Bank of England has raised their rates. Nice. US declines to extend North American trade deal. Okay. The promise oil prices are plummeting fast. All right. The important stuff, boys and girls. We don't have any red folder in the morning. So this is lovely to see. Let's see if we can catch an early trade. Whoa, what's going on, bro? Where's that flying? What a move, man. I, I don't know what's going on. I'm going to switch to spot people. Yeah, this low was tapped in futures. If you guys can see this, so this low was tapped in futures. Okay. But in spot, this is the difference I talk about sometimes. They call it SMT in ICT or CRT. I'm not sure which one that is. But you see, you see this low. This was tapped in futures, like you guys saw. But this is spot. It's not been tapped. But we don't mind that. We always enter in spot. We just use it for calculating stop loss and whatnot. So let's see, guys. Good morning, guys. I'm gonna lock in for a bit here. We have 2.5 minutes, so I won't be able to see the chat. Let's get an early morning trade, people. If there's a strong closure towards the upside, I'll be looking for a. Well, yeah, I'll be looking for a buy, man. Let's go. Still 2 more minutes, but we'll do the usual. We'll make sure that we have the pips figured out. So the low of this is 30.89. So we're looking at 20.89 for stop loss. That'll be the stop loss. That's not bad, man. To be honest, 890 pips. It's not bad. I thought this candle was very big. So, boys, eight seventy five, 875. That's $100 in risk, 0.4% of the account size. So 0.11 as it stands. We still have a minute and a half, people. This will be a beautiful trade since it's in the morning. I love morning trades. Let's see. We are seeing a heavy push to the upside. 54 seconds, people. 930 pips. Let's say 940. So 0.1 lots. Wow, we are getting a push, man. 30 seconds, people. Let's see. 3, 2, 1, 5. I'm in, boys. I'm in buys this morning. I'll confirm the SL. Hold on. 30.69, 29.69. All right. That's the first trade for today. We've longed here. Stop loss right there. I'll take off the confusion. So That'll be the stop loss. Hold on. I'll put here. That'll be the stop loss. We entered right there. We're looking for 1:3, guys, as usual. So the 1:3 should be sitting right here. Wow. What's going on this morning, man? Loving the reactions. All right. Officially in, people. Sorry, I didn't see the chat. Apologies. I was logged in. Arman, bro, have been learning trading for 9 years. I've said this multiple times, but learning trading for 9 years, bro. And then part-time, I did trade for 3, 4 years. Now I've been doing it full-time for 2.5, more than 2.5 years. Yeah, man. That's long as it has been. Morning, Nat. With the demand of 15 minutes. Bro, I don't mind anything else, man. If my strategy says so, I hop in, bro. Syed, very good morning, bro. I'm doing good, man. How are you? That's the first trade for today, boys and girls. So you see this, right? I did show this to you guys. That's called SMT. People do see that when they're trading, but we don't care about that. But I'm still showing you that. This is stop hunt. That's the zone we were looking at, but price did not come and pick up the zone in spot. But as you guys can see, hold on. Cut down. Wait, I missed something. All right. As you guys can see, this was tapped successfully, which we don't mind. We look at we look at futures, but still, I'm just letting us know. It's something good to see. The other side of this zone has been tapped. Let's see what happens, man. We don't mind that. We're in. That's the first trade for today. And let's quickly hold on. Morning, Peter. How's it going, bro? I forget this, man. Abdullah. Very good morning, bro. Yes, man. This is Top Hunt, bro. You always forget to put the strategies in the comments. Hold on. For people who knew, it'd be easier for them. Didn't answer my question. What happened, bro? What was the question? But the demand of 30 to 15 minutes isn't tapped yet. Why buys? Bro, all I'm looking for is my stop and zones, man. I don't look for demand zones of 13 or 15 minutes, bro. Once my stop and zones have been tapped, that's all I look for, man. That was the stop and zone I drew earlier on in the day. If you go back, just what's the time now? If you go back 15 minutes, as soon as we opened, that's the stop and zone I drew out. We got a tap, we got in. No sound? You guys, there should be sound, bro. What's going on? Request, bro, make a video on your strategy. Bro, there's multiple videos on my strategies, man. I'm just gonna post the link if you want to check it out, bro. Hold on. I'm posting the links. So to answer your question, brother, Arman, that's the strategy videos, man. Today I'm using real money in XM now. That's awesome, bro. Vishal, good for you, man. Let's get it, boys. Oh, hold on. 3 on 3s. Bro, I missed one last week. I'm not gonna miss something today, man. Yes, sir. Appreciate it. You're welcome, bro. Check it out. All right, guys. Quickly, let's check out yesterday's video. Sorry, yesterday's trade. This was yesterday. Arman, if you want, this is the quick explanation for yesterday's trade, man. If you guys can see, we had a beautiful, excuse me, we had a beautiful drop, creating a stop and zone up here. This happened live. If you guys want to go out and watch this, if you missed yesterday, this was 9 a.m. yesterday. I think I took this trade in live because I didn't want you guys to miss out. So that was the stop and we were waiting for. Stop and got tapped. This candle wasn't the confirmation I was looking for. I need a strong down closing candle if I'm going for a shot. That was the candle. And as soon as this got tapped, we got in. Stop loss 100 pips above the tapping candle, which was, hold on, which is at 3988.05. Then, as usual, boys and girls, targeting a 1:3. Man, yes, this took a few hours to get there, but look at the exit, man. I was so happy to see that because I think a couple of weeks ago, we got a trade which went off without tapping us in. It's very frustrating, bro. But this time, four taps, man. One, two, three, four. And then if we become greedy when price gets to our take profits, that's when we lose everything. Guys, we have a 1:3 for a reason. When that gets tapped, say sayonara for the trade. You're happy for the day. All right. That we took live yesterday. Let's see what happens to today's trade. What time do you do live? Martina, I do live every morning at 5:30. That's my timing. So you've just joined 18 after 18 minutes. So you almost got it. So as soon as Tokyo starts, check the timings for your time zone. I'm not sure where you're from. As soon as Tokyo starts, I'll be sitting here and yapping. Canada, that's awesome. Where from Canada? A lot of people are joining from Canada. Even Pradeep, bro, yesterday DM'd me. He was also from Canada. Which part, Martina? Greater Toronto area. That's nice. Brampton. My sister lives there. I did not live in Brampton, but um, quiet. I'd say quiet, but crazy drivers around. I hope you agree on the crazy drivers. Hey, bro, see, Pradeep bro is here. How's it going, man? You did join, bro. He said he'll join me this morning. He did. Nice to see you, bro. Peter, I heard in TV that in Canada there are 10 million Indian people. Bro, you'd be surprised the third most spoken language in Canada is Punjabi, bro. That's the third most. So a lot of Indian people there. Believe it or not, it's pretty crowded out there, man. Watching from the Philippines. That's awesome, bro. Welcome, welcome. Just came, but price didn't tap the zone. This. All right, good question. If you just joined, this wasn't tapped, but I was just talking about it. This is what we were looking for. This is the futures chart. I trade with the futures chart. I just use the spot chart for execution. I mark out my zones. As you can see, stop on tapped. We entered this candle. This is what's happening right now. I'll quickly switch so that it'll be easier for you to recognize. Look at that. People call this SMT or divergence. It's called pair divergence. I don't know. I don't trade with that. I just use this for execution. So we don't care. I mark out the zones and I go off of futures. This is just for the trade execution and whatnot. Okay. I hope that's clear. Just came. Okay. I see that. Not at all. Not all quite. Definitely crazy people. I was talking about the neighborhood. Pretty quiet in terms of the neighborhood, but a lot of crazy people. I do agree. I'm doing good, bro. It was nice talking to you yesterday, man. If you come to Chennai, bro, let's go for a coffee, man. Pradeep, bro, lives in North York, Martina. I did I did live in North York for a bit, so we did connect. Boys and girls, lovely to see this. 55 of you already. Early in the morning, it's not even 6 a.m. Respect. You guys said going the extra mile. We got 17 likes already, 780 subs. We're getting to 1,000 soon, people. Lovely to see that. Appreciate it. Peter is pushing pushing the chat in the chat itself. Hello, bro. What's your win rate? Bro, my win rate is somewhere between 35 to 55%, man. You'd say that's not amazing, but we're doing good, man. We're doing good. Brampton drivers are better drivers than those on Don Valley. Ooh, shots fired, bro. Shots fired. Sure, bro. Let's meet up August 1st. Yo, you coming to India, man? Pradeep, bro? I'm new to trading, so I'm just learning. Martina, that's fine. If you're new, you're in the right place. Here, with my strategies, I tend not to keep it complicated. Okay, if you're new, just understand the fact that I was talking about this to Pradeep bro yesterday. Guys, this is the only important thing that you're gonna remember, that you want to remember and keep in mind when you're new to trading. Guys, it's not easy. It is gonna take a couple of years. Okay. Just get that into your thick skull because that's now how we're conditioned to think. We want quick wins. We want to learn something very quickly. No, that's not how this works. It is going to take 2 to 3 years for you guys to learn and perfect. So keep that in mind. When you have that time frame in mind, you won't mind losing, for a couple of years or a couple of months. All right, guys. It took me 9 years to get to where I am. Right from starting to learn, starting to read about trading, doing it part time, and doing it full time at this point. Even now, I'm failing. I'm falling on my face. Okay, that's a part of it. All you have to do is keep doing it and make sure you don't lose a hell lot of money when you start doing it. Okay. There are ways to do it. I'll let you guys know, but keep that in mind. Yeah. That's awesome, bro. Just for a week. Man, that's sad, bro. Why for a week, man? You're spending all that money to hop on a flight and come here and just be here for a week, bro. But definitely let me know, man. We'll catch up over coffee, bro. Um, what would be changing your life if the market would be cancelled? Bro, I'll be jobless. I'll hate whatever other job I do. Great question, Peter. Bro, this is something I love, man. Sitting in this chart today is the happiest thing that could have happened because I hated working in a corporate job, bro. Did not like that, man. I love doing this. This is what I want to be doing for the next 50, 60 years. Hopefully, I want to teach my kids to do this if they want that, of course, because it's fun. You never know. The biggest reason why I love trading is you never know what you get, bro. Especially having that 3-1-3, 3-2-3 strategy that I have, bro. There are possibilities to catch 1 is to 30s and 1 is to 40 RRs, bro. So that's why I love trading, man. Absolutely love trading. Dopamine, yeah, bro. You could say that too. Ali, how's it going, bro? Good morning, man. You do just Tokyo time. Yeah, bro. It's just Tokyo, bro. I just stayed Tokyo's. And after Tokyo's, I'm chilling, watching series, making YouTube videos, spending time with family, and I do something very important. Someone asked me yesterday, what do I do after trading? Just after 8:45, when I stop the live, I go downstairs, freshen up, have my breakfast and all that, yada yada, and then I do something for 30 minutes. I am going to make a video on that today, but here is here is a sneak peek of that video. I play a game which actually helps me with trading, man. Believe it or not, I love that game. I started playing that. I'll tell you what game that is. I started playing that back in college. This is back in 2014. Okay. I played it for a few years and I stopped it completely. Around 2016, I stopped it. And I took it back up last year because I wanted the discipline to do it, to do something every single day and keep getting better at it, right? So I'm not sure if you guys have heard about this. Hold on. I'm pretty sure you guys know this. Yoo-hoo. Clash of Clans, people. Have you guys heard about this? This is Clash of Clans. Man, love this game, bro. So for you guys, for those of you who don't know what Clash of Clans is, it's a game where you build a village and you go fight others to get gold and elixir. Elixir is something that you use to grow your village as well as your army. And then you play in wars with other friends and whatnot, with other bunch of people. So 10 people against 10 people, that those are wars. Do you guys know this, bro? Ali, yeah, man, my entry is active, bro. It's live, man. Not chess, man. I do like chess, but I suck at it, bro. Me and my best friend, we play chess together. He's very good. He used to play really well in school. He was the part of school team. So Ganesh says he knows the game. We know it in real life with Russia and Germany. Peter, you're hilarious, man. CFC needs discipline and patience. I built 8 bases 3 to 4 years back to back. That's awesome, bro. Guys, I don't have a clan. Sherry, that's awesome, man, that you play. I don't have a clan. I am a part of another clan. I just joined there. Um, let me let me show you guys, man. It's in my tab actually. Hold on. I'm gonna pick it up. Guys, if if you want to do something that builds patience, practice, and discipline, this is the game because you have to be here every single day. Because to build each and every component of your village, it's gonna take 2 to 3 days. You only have 5 builders max. You only get 5 builders, okay? So every day you gotta keep building. Hold on, and you gotta keep coming back. I'm right now. After I picked up, I'm just in level 13, but there are other levels to go up. Let me show you. That's Clash of Clans, people. Can you see this? I hope you did. I can't see the chat because I see the chat in my tab. Hold on, let me get to the questions. All right, I kept it down. Could you guys see that? So you get to build it every day, and that builds discipline. It's constructive energy channeled in virtual world. Exactly, bro. Now they've reduced the time for upgrade. Earlier it took days. Days to wait and build new things. Absolutely. I totally agree, guys. Before it was very hard. With every update, it'll take freaking ages, bro. 5 to 6 days. You have to be waiting for that long. And also, your army gets regenerated after 10 to 15 minutes. They used to have all those rules before. Right now, it's much easier. My town hall is 13, so I'm in level 13 right now. Guys, I told you I stopped for a good 6 7 years, and then I thought, okay, this is a game that could build patience and discipline. Why not just do it? Okay, I am making a video today, so look out for that. I will talk about this game and how vital it is to build discipline and patience. I just love it, man. I hope you guys play it too. You're gonna start small as usual, like in trading and in life, and then you're gonna keep building and get to a place where you're dominating the game. It's similar, man. It's similar like trading, bro. Initially, you'll suck at it. You'll have small things in your village, but you'll keep growing every single day, bro. I suggest you guys play it for 10 to 15 minutes every day and see how that small town grows into a big community, man. And guys, you have people in that community too. You have women walking around trees, sleeping around trees and whatnot. You don't get to be there, bro. No, your king will be there. Your queen will be there. It's fun, man. I know I'm ranting too much about the game. I love the game. This is such a nice suggestion to build patience. See, I was thinking about it, and I appreciate the comment there. Bon Vida. So that's the video for today. I've been thinking about this video for a while now. So for me, I want to get better at whatever I do, right? So I'm thinking about how can I get better, and what are the ideas I can give my people to make them better in trading. This is one of the best ideas that I can give you guys, just to build that patience and discipline, which you definitely need here. Because guys, yesterday I did want to show you. This is why I don't take break evens and whatnot, man. Yesterday's trade, look at this, bro. Price went well over a 1:1, right? And then price went back. So let's just track. So this is where we entered. Price went well over 1:1, came back, break even. If you did put a break even at 1:1, bro, you're getting out break even, man. And after that, what does price do? Go to your go to your take profit exactly to the pip, right? So this is what I suggest: building that patience and building that discipline to hold on to your trades. It's gonna, sorry, it's gonna take time, man. It's gonna take a lot of time and effort to build that discipline. But once you get to that level and that discipline, you're gonna let your trades run, and that's when your win rate is gonna matter less and less. Because guys, having a full 1:3 is much better than taking profits at 1:1 and a 1:2. So if you have three take profits, if you have one at 1:1, you're gonna take 33% of that trade off. So you're not getting the whole TP when it gets to 1:3, right? So building that discipline to hold on to your trades for a whole 1:3, and that takes a lot of patience and holding on to your emotions and whatnot, right? Bro, my all right, hold on. Hi, bro, Nidhi. If you just woke up, man, you missed an entry. Apologies, bro. We took this very early, man. Welcome, though. All right, I didn't miss a few messages. I was the master in strategies and building games. It helps for ADHD. That's nice, bro. Peter, during the break in my company, I was playing in strategic games. Bro, you get to build games, bro. That's a nice job to have. Now I'm also thinking to get back to COC, good old days. Bro, trust me, it's a lot better than the old days because you don't have to wait for your army to get generated. So you can go back to back raids. You don't have to wait for your army to regenerate, right? So that's good. And much cooler updates, man. Now what do you call it? Your king and queens, those guys have special abilities now. So um, Grand Warden, you can make him have a circle around him with healing power or um, with growing power. The other army soldiers will have more power to them if you have that toggled on, bro. It's very fun, man. Get back to it, bro. Let me know. I wanna know what happens when you guys try this, bro. My normal Arab is 1:3, man. As you see on the screen, it's 1:3 with this strategy with stop hunt. But remember, I do have another strategy which is 3 on 3. I don't have a normal RR there. I try to catch big risk to rewards with that strategy because you need to do that. You need to have two strategies, one with okayish RRs and the next one with heavy RRs, man. So with that, it varies. The average for that strategy is around 1:15 risk to reward. Uh, so yeah, how do you indicate stop and defines the field for stop ons? So it's just area lows and highs. So any definitive lows and highs that you see where people can put their stop loss on top of, I just get that as a stop and zones. So as you see, these areas where price pushed quickly from, and those areas will have a lot of stop losses going on top of or on the bottom of. Okay. These are the areas I look for. If you can draw this, that will become stop and zones, right? So these areas that you see, people will have it right now, even us, let's keep this as an example, right? Even us, we're keeping our stop losses below this zone, right? So for other people, this will become stop loss. I mean, stop ons. So these are the things I look for when I'm looking for a stop and zone. Guys, we're at 781, almost to 800 subs. Let's see if we get it today, man. I'm pretty sure if this goes to TP, a lot of people will subscribe. That's the far moment. Hey Ravi, how's it going, man? After 6:30 candle manipulation, we'll see for entry, bro. That's awesome, man. Hold on. Hardy. Okay, I said that. Evening star. Hi, Arshad. Good evening for you, man. Great morning for me. Welcome, bro. What's your longest losing streak, bro? What a great question. Guys, my longest losing streak was earlier on when I started. This is almost 2 hours and I think 2 hours and 2 months ago. This is freshly when I started. Believe it or not, I've taken 36 losing trades in a row. So 36 losing trades in a row, boys. Can you believe it? But mind you, those weren't, you know, trades where I was pushing in. So those weren't trades where I was going in with emotions or whatnot. This was with the strategy. I was following a strategy actually, and I was taking multiple trades a day, 10 to 15 trades a day. Guys, I got stopped out 36 times in a row, man. That was the worst streak I've had. And I was still standing, bro. At the end of it, I was like, hold on, something is not working. I have to work at my strategy and whatnot. But I kept going, man. I think that was the turning point of my trading career, bro. Uh, if you have the balls to catch 36 stop losses with the defined strategy, rules, and risk, and you keep standing and say, hold on, I am doing something wrong. I'm going to change it. I'm going to come back and do it again. That should be the defining moment of your trading career, bro. Great question, man. Love the question. Ravi took a evening nap. Happy Canada Day. Guys, Ravi's also from Canada. He lives in Toronto too. So, good morning, Madan. How's it going, man? Let's see, boys. Let's see what happens with this trade. We do have three more trades for today. Let's see. We are getting a pullback. 6:30 is 20 minutes away. Why it's not pumping up? Bro, I left my inflator in my room. I should get it, man, Peter. Lizzie, good morning. Guys, here's the twist in the tail, though. If I get a 3 on 3 in the opposite direction, I'm going to hop off this and I'm going to get into it, okay? Because I prioritize 3 on 3 uh, first and then comes stop hunt because the risk to reward with that is huge. I'll only do that if it's in the opposite direction, okay? So keep that in mind. I have done it before. Um, I have lost take profits from stop hunt strategies. It is a part of it, but if we catch a good 313, we're making a ton of money. I think day before yesterday, I missed one. I was kicking myself for it. I hated myself for it. Let me show you. Yeah, this was what I missed. Uh, Perfect 3 on 3 to the pip. The worst part was so 1, 2, 3, right? Supply 1, 2, 3. Price came back tap. I did talk about this yesterday. So the worst part I saw it when price got to this area. I can't do anything about it, man. It's gone now. And the price was in the entry zone for almost 15 minutes, almost 15 minutes, at least 10. Yeah. That was brutal, man. So I won't be missing that. If I do get a reversal, I'll try to get in. All right. I'm not getting anything right now, but I'm just letting you guys know. Let's see what happens. This is open right now. I'll not close this. That's the only time I'll close a stop on trade to look for something else. Excuse me. When I take SL, then I go to play to divert my brain. Oh, that's nice, bro. That's a good way to have your brain occupied, man. Arkham, how's it going, bro? Good morning, man. There's a gap on the 1 minute time frame. You see it? Is it? I don't have it on spot, bro. Maybe in the futures. This and this. Oh, there are multiple gaps, man. What's going on? Re-entry valid, yeah, bro. I'm still in it. So if you want to enter, it's up to you, man. But this is a trade that I've defined. I'm sitting inside it. It's a good, yeah. It's up to you guys. Guys, it's your risk. Once I take a trade, I don't take it off until I get these three conditions met. Either a take profit, either an SL, or a valid 3 on 3 entry. If I get either of those, I'd get off, man. You're welcome, bro. Yeah, if we get a green day today, bro, I'll be very happy, man. Three back-to-back green days, bro. That's a hat trick for this week. A great way to start a month. Excuse me. Um, Ashar Khan, why? What do you mean, why, bro? The re-entry, or what are you talking about? Oh, the gaps? I have no clue, man. I wish you get that. Uh, oh, the three back-to-back green days. Thank you, man. I hope we all get that, bro. BTC कब कहाँ तक जाएगा? Let's look at BTC for a bit. Hold on. Whoa! What the hell is going on this morning? That's bleeding, man. Bro, that's BTC for you guys. Yesterday, I think someone was in this trade. I did suggest them to take a 1:3. Let's see if it got hit. Yeah, bro. Yesterday trade would have worked out, man, if someone hung on to it. Look at that. Someone asked me if I could suggest the TP for BTC yesterday. Guys, that's the TP that I would have taken. That's 1:3 right there. See, entry in 5 minutes. So that's a stop on zone. Entry, exit. I think it was Arshad, right? Arshad, was that you, bro? Even today, I might have hopped if I was trading. Hold on. I'm not trading this, but if I was trading, I would have waited for this stop and zone. Got tapped. Wasn't wasn't a very convincing upward candle, but this is a convincing downward candle. I would have gone short there. Hold on, I'm just guys. This is hypothetical. Don't worry. I don't trade BTC as of yet. But if I see a lot of greens coming my way, bro, I might think about it, bro. This is tempting, man. Because looking at this is tasty, bro. Look at that. Bro, that wasn't a small move, man. That was almost a $700 move. Good TP, right? And let's see. Tomorrow, let's come back and take a look at this. Take a look at what that trade gave us, okay? All right. Back to the reality. You're talking about BTC down. Oh, you asked about why. I have no clue, bro. I don't know why BTC works the way it is. Guys, I honestly think BTC is in the bear market right now. After it hit 124, that was the top. I feel I don't know what's going to happen. I'm not a guru to give you guys suggestions. So I honestly think personally BTC is in a bear trend for at least a year. So calculate a year from wherever the peak was. I think that's a good place to start buying uh, if you're planning to. So BTC works in cycles, right? BTC has 4 year cycles. So there is a halving that happens every 4 years. So after the halving happens, there's usually a push in BTC's price because, for example, there's something called mining. That's how they produce more BTC, quote unquote. So they mine BTC from the blockchain. So every 4 years, the mining rate will be halved. So if they were mining, for example, 10 BTC per hour, in next 4 years, that will be halved to 5 BTC per hour. It's just an example. Don't quote me on that. Um, so when that happens, the demand for BTC goes up because right now you're only getting half of what you were getting before, right? So the supply has gone low and demand goes up, and hence the bull market comes in. You see prices going skyrocketing for the next 2 3 years, and it is a good thing, bro. Guys, this is not even 6:30 candle. I don't know what's happening with gold today, but I like it, bro. I say evening star on top trend, now bearish. Interesting, man. 4600 likely the next real pivot of gold. 4600. Wow, if it goes to 4600, bro, I'll be sad, bro. Because I want gold prices to be low, man. Thank you. You're welcome, Ashad. Sorry, I'm saying your name wrong, bro. A shark, right? A shark. Nice push up. I hear any women. Yeah, bro. There are a few women that I know of that are here. Guys, please be respectful. There are both boys and girls watching and in the community. Always. Peter's never disrespectful. I'll give you that, Peter. You're very respectful, man. I was just saying that generally, bro. I didn't mean you, man. Break of structure. Sure, bro. You trade ICT, man. Let's see, boys. If that's a green today, oh, glorious. I've closed, I only targeted 10 per trade. Is that okay, bro? Welcome, bro. I say this again. It's completely up to you guys. But if you guys are new, that's fine. If you close it halfway, if that's what you're targeting, that's it's completely up to you guys. But if you ask me if that's okay, I'll only give you my opinion, which I trade and I look for. I don't settle for half the TP, bro. I have this TP for a reason. I'll show you. It's been set for a reason. Hold on. You see this? This is a trade that's running. This is what I do. I don't preach something that I don't. Where's the damn TPs? TP is set for a reason, man. It's sitting at almost 3,000 pips right up here. If that gets hit, bro, I'm good, bro. I'm done. Okay, before that, I don't mind taking SLs, man. If price comes back to take me, it's already running at 120 pips. Sorry, $120 at almost 1,200 pips. If it comes back to take me off, I'm fine, bro. So that's my humble opinion. But guys, again, I leave this to you. I show you the way. It's up to you if you want to follow it throughout, or if you have your own confluences, entries, exits. If you want to add more to a position, I leave that all up to you, people. Okay, it's up to your discretion to do that. But for me personally, boys and girls, this is set in stone. As I said in yesterday's shot, if you guys saw that, it's set in stone. I'm just asking how many women sitting in morning. No clue, man. Multiple, bro. I'm pretty sure of that. Mostly none are to catch, similar to hunting. Bro, there are some fierce women sitting here, man. I'll tell you that. They might be in the single digits or even the low double digits, but some fierce women here, bro. It came down from my it came down for my re-entry, Evan. Ravi, I know you were late to the party, man, but if you caught that re-entry, bro, that's one of the best trades that you could get, man. Oh, you want to determine? Sorry, bro, I took that wrongly, man. You want to determine how many women here, bro? Uh, I don't know, bro. I don't take head counts. Bro, that's the perfect place to enter, Ravi. You, at least for now, bro. I'm not sure what's gonna happen after this, but let's see. I've got that on 37. Ooh, nice catch, bro. Or come. Good catch, man. All right, boys, let's see. We're halfway there. 6 minutes to 6:30 candle. Hopefully, it'll manipulate towards the upside and then come down. Let's see, man. Guys, we have got multiple take profits like that, and we have got multiple SLs with that 6:30 candle. It's a love-hate relationship that we have with our strategy and 6:30 a.m. candle. For those of you guys who don't know what 6:30 candle is, it's the first 4 hour candle of the Tokyo session. It brings a lot of volume. So, but I'm very surprised about this candle right here. I don't know what happened. It's just a 6:15 candle, but what volume, bro? That's awesome. What do you trade, bro? Supply demand? No, man. My strategies are, excuse me, my strategies are pinned in the comments, bro. Just take a look. It's fairly simple, man. You can call this liquidity. I don't call this liquidity because liquidity traders only think about reversals. That's not how we do it here. I look for both sides. So there's a huge difference between liquidity traders and myself. Uh, at least that's what I like to think. So check it out, bro. Check out the strategies, man. Yeah, as we're at 786. Come on, we're getting to 800, man. I'm loving this. Guys, if you're new here, if you've already subscribed, make sure you join the Discord because we're almost to 150 members. Let me show that to you. You see this? 10 are online and 137 are offline. That makes the total 147. We need three members to hit 150. That's an amazing milestone to have. I love that. Um, while we're here, let's get morning motivation. This was yesterday. If you can't control your emotions, you can't control your money. No, no other true words spoken, bro. So right now I'm gonna pick up another motivational quote. Hold on, boys. I see that the chat is busy. Hold on, I'll come back to your questions. I'm getting today's motivation, people. All right, let's see. What was yesterday? If you can't control your emotions, right? I got it. I don't like that. It's not. Nope. Guys, hold on. I'm just getting it. Where is it? Motivation. There you go. That's today's motivation. One day, all your hard work will pay off. Yo, that's very true, bro. Because, man, the work that's gone in for the last 9 years, now that I think about it, bro, trade with me, subscribe to your channel. Trade with me, who are you are. Appreciate it. I got that notification somehow, so hold on. Okay. Hi, bro. I'm glad that you're back, man. Welcome back. When do you? I don't do break evens, bro. I don't believe in break evens. It's either TP or an SL, bro. I'm happy with either, bro. This guy in picture is not so handsome. Could you find better one? Peter, next time, bro. Next one, I'll find you a very handsome looking woman, bro. Don't worry. And guys, women can be handsome too. Break even will run RR, bro. Will ruin RR. Exactly, man. Because yesterday, I showed you the yesterday's trade, right? If I got break even after 1:1, that 1:3 would not have been taken, bro. I've seen that multiple times happening in my trades. Price goes back to hit break even, comes back again, and then hold on. So I don't believe in break evens, boys. That was hard with kid. I totally agree, man. But trust me, bro, that's what you got to get through if that's what you've been given. Bro, not everyone gets the same opportunity like us. Even I feel that I was that 6:30 a.m. candle, boys. If this multiplies towards the upside, it's gonna be amazing. Let's see. Let's wait and watch. Um, whatever comes, we'll take. I'm actually loving the look of that. We might hit DP this morning early itself. I don't know what we're gonna do after. We'll be waiting for 3 on 3, 3 to 3s, but boys, that'll be sweet if we hit it in the next 2 minutes. Man, me, our strategy, I think, is married to the 6:30 a.m. candle because some days, bro, it's fighting like hell because it's giving stop losses after 6:30 hits. But some days, man, it's having a romance story, bro. Look at that, bro. What a push, man. What is 3 on 3? It's actually 3-1-3 is just a pattern that I look for, man. Come on. Don't stop there. You've got to 85%. Let's get it. Guys, I most probably think this high will be manipulated if it is. I don't know, man. Let's see. But let's see if this is in the bag, boys. Can you explain 3 on 3? Yeah, man. Sure, I will. Have you watched the video on the pinned comments, man? Just checking, bro. Because if you watch it, it'll be much easier for me to explain. Great. I just came up from -1,000 to $100 USD profit. Peter, I'm glad you took it, man. I'm glad you took that profit. Boys and girls, we took this live. This is another TP. Almost. Sorry, I don't want to jinx it. Almost. This will be the third green day, no matter what, if this gets to TP. Okay? In a row. So, BTC, please. We'll get to BTC. Hold on. Let's see this be taken live, and then we'll get there. Almost there. That's TP, boys and girls, but I've not been taken out. Yep, we took that live, didn't we? I'm just glad that's a 1:3 live. And guys, this is the thing about break evens, right? So price did jump off to 101. Pay attention, people. So 1:1 was hit. Price comes back. Ravi, you got in on the best place possible. Re-entry, and then oof, that's first TP for the day. We look it up. Thanks. Sure, man. Far, right? Vishal, -100. That's fine, bro. If you got the profit, that's awesome. Wonderful, Martina. Thanks to you. Thank you. First day watching you, made good money. Tech Zone, I'm glad that you did, bro. This might be manipulation as it's going up out of the daily high. We don't care what it is as long as it gives us the TP. Lovely. I'm glad that you got it. I love morning trades, and that's amazing to see. Haha, we did it. Mike, yeah, man, we did. You're welcome, boys. Well done. Thank you. Ravi says, yes, bro. Yeah, man. Bro, you woke up at the right time, Ravi. To get that re-entry, bro. Well done, man. I'm so happy this morning, boys and girls. Yeah, well done, guys. Mike, you're right, man. If you had the marbles to get in the re-entry, that's that's amazing. But see, bro, I've been missing you, man. I've been meaning to call you out, bro. What's happening, bro? You've been silent. I haven't seen you in the last few days, man. What's going on? Is everything good, bro? You're welcome. DRK, you're welcome, man. Arkham, thank you, bro. Gokul says, is there any chance for it to go back to 4,000? Bro, I'd love it if it goes back to 4,000, man. Guys, as we expected, see, this is how price moves, man. That's the manipulation that comes in after that high. Look, I was talking about it, right? When price gets to this high, bro, there is going to be a reaction from it. You're seeing a reaction right now. So price moves from stop and zones to stop and zones. That's how it's been engineered to move. And that's live. Great. Congrats to you. Thanks, man. Josh. Just been a little busy looking for a new property and stuff. Mitzi is stacking, bro. Come on, man. Bro, are you looking for a commercial property or a rental? I mean, sorry, a retail property, man. Is it a house or a commercial space? Bro, you passed the account? No, man, I haven't. We got a rough patch last time. Right now, we're back at break even, man. Last time, bro, I'll show you what happened. This is what happened, bro. We caught a very rough patch. Bro, I was bleeding at the end, man. See, I took a vacation, right? I took a vacation for 4 days. I had a family function to get to, a couple of family functions to get to. We missed three take profits in a row, bro. The first day was two stop losses, fine. That's only $200, but this is $900 in profits gone, erased. And then this I don't mind, to be honest. That's fine. And after that, we took heavy losses, man. Two, 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 and then two. We did take a couple of good TPs. It did balance it out, but it wasn't enough, man. But the nail on the coffin, bro, was this. Day before yesterday, I missed 1 to 12 risk to reward trade. Man, that I could not digest, man. I was so pissed that I did that. As a trader, the worst thing that you can do after trading for so long is miss a trade, man. In your trading session, you're not supposed to go anywhere. You're not supposed to do anything else. If you do, if you miss it, that's the worst thing that can happen. And it did happen. A 1 to 12 risk to reward is not a small trade to miss. And I was so livid myself. I've never shouted out loud. I was in my car. I had to do patchwork. I had a flat tire. So it was last minute. I couldn't avoid it because my brother came in with the inflator. I don't get it. I don't have it myself. So I had to do it within the next 30 minutes. Otherwise, it'll go flat again. It was just dumb luck that happened, but missing 622 put a big dent because, guys, as you guys know, I showed you guys this. Guys, this is how transparent I am. Last month, we were up almost $2,500, 9.5% in profits in the account. But June, I was down $1,248. Guys, this is everything that happens. I show you guys live as usual. But if I didn't have this vacation, and if I caught this, we would have been break even for the month. Guys, it happens. I got to live with it. Now I have gone past it. It's fine. But this month, bro, that's second TP. So you guys do this. You guys see me do this every day. This is all I do. I take notes, and that's all that matters, right? So that's TP. That's peak of failure. That's plus 300. Until now, there's no trades. Guys, I know there are a lot of questions. I'll get back to it, okay? Someone's spamming the same question. I'm getting it, man. Don't worry. So, boys and girls, not the best month last month, an amazing month the prior month, but trust me, this is the best start you could have had for the month. Great to see that. We will build on this. We will pass the account. Because of all this, because of the missed trades and whatnot, bro, right now the account is sitting at, can you guys see this? Wait, let me confirm, man. Yeah, you can see that. So we need $1,200, $250 again. $1,250 to pass this. I should have passed this last month, but it is what it is. We're getting there, man. We get there, bro. It's not a big deal. We're almost up $481 in a couple of days. Actually, more than that. Last 3 days, bro, 188 plus 181 plus 300. My brain is not that sharp. I have to use a calculator. 300 plus 188 plus 181. Guys, that's $669 in profits. That's amazing. It should have been plus another 625, but I let that slide, man. So, coming back to our usuals, let's just go through the motion. So, I've entered that. So, this is what I do, guys. Regardless of it's a take profit or an SL, you guys, if you're always here, guys, I'll get back to the questions. Don't worry. There's a lot of questions, I know. If you're here looking at my lives, I know a lot of people are regulars here. You guys look at my all the lives. So this is what I do after every stop loss or take profit. I go back to my journal. I enter it. You guys see me do this live, and then if it is a profit, we go back to Discord and we post that there. Hold on, let me do that. Guys, whenever you follow procedure, keep doing it religiously. This all will help, man. It's every small thing that you do. Having a journal is one of the most important things that you'll ever do, because I'll tell you a story about that, about journal, bro. Hold on. I'm just sending out the profit to Discord. What is it? So Discord. So you guys, we did get our teeth kicked in last month, but we're making good strides this month, man. That's this month, okay? Oh, sorry, wrong tab. That's Discord. Let's get to profits. Mithun, I saw that, bro. Profits. So that's 310 profit. Oh, I sent the different one, yeah. Usually I send the other one. Where is it? Oh, that's from C Trader, yeah. Hold on. Sorry, guys. The C Trader is much clearer in terms of pips and whatnot. I'll take this off and have that. So the C Trader one will show you the pips. So here with funding pips, they show you the entry times and whatnot. But with C Trader, you get to see the actual pips, how long it took, and the lot size we took. So I'm just gonna take this off. Don't worry. I'm gonna take that off. And then let's keep this, man. I like this because it gives us the pips. And now 2824, right? So excuse me. So I'll put this here. This is what we do every time after we take a TP. So you guys know that this is not some fake numbers sitting here. These are all real numbers. What was it? Oops. 2824. Sorry, boys. A lot of back and forth. 2824. Yeah, that's the most recent TP. And I'm gonna paste that in the futures too. All right. I'll get to the questions now. Hold on. That's the process, guys. Always get to the process. Nine more, nine more subs to get to 800. That's a good mark. All right, getting back to the questions. Okay, good day. Start with good trade. Thank you, sir. Booked 142. Nandan, I'm glad that you booked 142, man. That's amazing, bro. Sherry, gold could take a low of 3883, sorry, 3883 and then rally up. That's my view. Sherry, is there a big zone there, bro? So you're looking for price to get down here, yeah? It's nice, man, Sherry. All right. Retail property, yes, sir. Mitzi, that's nice, bro. Bro, hit me up, man. I want to see how the properties are in London, bro. With your help, probably might invest in London in the next couple of years, man. If you're okay with it. Who's manipulating? I want to meet that guy too, Peter. So you learn from mistakes. How come always, man? You make mistakes, you always learn from it. Is it going up more or going to go down now? Bro, I'm not sure, man. I wouldn't be taking this zone. I wouldn't be taking another trade with. Stop hunt, that's it for stop hunt. But that being said, I'll be looking for 3 on 3 trades. I'm here for another almost 2 hours. So 3 on 3 trades, guys. As you guys saw, I did miss a 1 to 12 risk to reward, but I'm not going to do that ever again. At least I'll try not to do that again. But I'll be I'll be trying to look for that strategy, man. Very happy for everyone who caught that trade. I'm happy too, bro. 3 on 3 still too needed. Okay. Look at diagram. Maybe you'll have 3 on 3. Yeah, bro, I am looking at it. I need, as I told you guys, there is a secret sauce. I'm always honest. I'm not gonna I'm not gonna lie to you people. There is a secret sauce to 3 on 3. I am looking at it right now. If there is a 3 on 3, I'll let you guys know. But I'd strongly say if you're new here, do not try to figure out 3 on 3 without the sauce. I'm getting a lot of requests to make that course. God, I've been so busy. There's so much going on with YouTube, with my life and trading. Guys, I'm in the process of making it. I will get that sauce out soon. Don't worry. But before that, if you want to learn, definitely stop hunt. I think is the right thing to do. Because with DRK, thank you for joining, man. Because sorry, got distracted. Because with 3 on 3, bro, there is a very important confluence that's missing. If you trade 3 on 3 without my direction live, guys, it's gonna be tough because you need that, man. You need that confidence. So please wait. If there is a 3 on 3 trade, I'll definitely call it out for you. Don't worry. Ray, how's it going, man? Did you buy, bro? Ray is a momentum trader. I love him, man. Did you get it, bro? The push up just trade ended, bro. It hit TP 1 to 3. That's awesome, man. I'm happy for you, bro. TP done $100, bro. I always forget your name, man. God, Abdullah. I keep forgetting that's you, man. Bro, change the name, handle to your name, bro. It'll be much easier for me. Just kidding. So, what's next plan? Arshad, I'm waiting for a 3 on 3 trade, bro. Guys, this is something I do religiously and it works very well for me. If you take a TP, if you take a profit for that strategy, retire that strategy for the day, man. You got to win. That's amazing. Try not looking for more trades and more wins and whatnot because that's how people lose their money. If you're ahead of the day for that strategy, retire the strategy for the day. It's done. If you have another strategy, if you have a second strategy like me, look for trades in that strategy, okay? If not, you're good for the day. For me, right now, stop and strategy is done. I've retired that strategy for the day. I'm looking for trades in the 3 on 3 strategy. If it gives me, I'll definitely take it. I'll let you guys know I am looking at it. So that's the plan for the rest of the day. Okay. Um, it's a trend continuation pattern, maybe, man. Um, right now, it doesn't look like it because weak down candle, weak up candle. If I was looking at this stop and zone, okay, let's get into this. All right, this is a stop and zone, right? Let's assume that we did not take this TP for now. If this was the stop and zone, I would not have taken this trade. I'll tell you why. Because look at this. This is a. I look for next two, maybe three candles, but usually two candles. The two next two candles. So this was the tapping candle, right? The 630 candle tapped. Next two candles were weak, man. This was a weak selling candle. That was a weak buying candle. For me, I look for strong down closing or strong up closing candles to give me confirmations. These two were not it. This looks like a good candle to go off of. If I were trading, maybe I'll be inclined to take a shot, but guys, maybe doesn't work. I don't like maybes. I don't want to think about other trades with this strategy because it's given me a beautiful 1 to 3. That's all we look for. That's all we hope for. That's that. Yeah. So, enough words. Fahad, brother, I don't have enough words to appreciate you. Fahad, trust me, if you were here last week, you would have been cursing me because we did take a lot of stop losses last week. Guys, you got to understand this. Take out emotions from trading itself. I know I'm happy too. Trust me, I'm very happy too. But being very happy when you take a profit in the morning or being very sad that you took in a sell is not good for you or your strategy or your mindset when it comes to trading. Try to have middle grounds. It's amazing to take profits. I will not take that away from you guys. But guys, think about it like, okay, it is just data for my journal. That's it. That's it, boys and girls. This month has been beautiful to start up. We will just keep building on this, okay? Um, the reason why I said it, was it Fahad? Where is it? Fahad, right? Bro, the reason why I said it because what happens if we took a an SL here, man? You'd be furious with me, bro. So this is a business. Treat it as such, guys. So that's why I keep saying emotions very, very wrong in terms of trading, man. It's pumping, pumping. No, bro, it's not gonna pump. I don't think it's gonna pump, man. Because as I told you, I would have waited for these two candles to go off, and then that I might have jumped on a sell. We don't know what's gonna happen. Okay, bro, I don't trade tech zone. I don't trade smart money or ICT, man. Um, these are my concepts that I've built. Stop hunt, someone did teach me. I did have a mentor for that, but 3 on 3, 3 to 3s is something that I taught myself. So, okay. The problem with low RR strategies that losses hurt more than wins. So it's bad to psychology. For me, it is like that. Yeah, bro. Having a low RR doesn't work, man. You need at least a 1:2 or a 1:3, man. If you have a 1:3 with a 40% win rate, boys, that's all you need, bro. Discord link, bro. It's in the description of this video, in my channel and whatnot. Um, I saw, I saw that BRK joined. Welcome to Discord, bro. I'll send you a personalized message, man. All right, bro. How much did my account go high, bro? My account, I needed $1,250 to pass the account. Okay, true story. My account went up to $1,252, and it came back down. I did not close the trade. I could not close it because there are spreads. The most my account has been to. Let me show you, Moise. Because people think I'm bullshitting. I'm not. Let me show you. Hold on. Oh, boys. Come on. I went off the calculator, man. So this account that we're doing right now is that 25,063 that you guys know, right? But you want to see what the peak was? Yes, that's the peak, man. 26. You see this, right? 26 148, bro. I needed 26 150, man. That happened a month ago. That's the 31st of May. I'll also show you the trade that did it. Hold on. So you guys see this, right? My target was 26 150, and look at what happened after, bro. This is dumb luck, man. This is the worst timing that could happen. Yo, I missed it, bro. I'll show you, man, what happened. See, that was the 31st, right? So this is the trade that helped me get there. Um, 25 we caught, 1 is to 25 is to what we caught. 1 is to 12 we caught. This is the day when I almost passed the account, but I thought the take profit was only 1,200. That's the take profit I thought that we need to pass the account. But actually, the amount needed was 1,250. Okay, I closed that trade manually before it got to its natural TP. That was $300, which it ran to more. If I did close it after the natural TP that you usually do, the close of London, I mean the close of Tokyo, that would have been way into passing territory, bro. I was short by $38, so I closed it around. Initially, I was short by 38. I closed it around $1,212, and then my emotion, excuse me, my emotions took over. I took another buy with a big lot. I lost $300 in 2.5 minutes. I was furious with myself. Guys, again, I'm also a trader like you. When I saw, because it was a very emotional moment for me passing a funded account after 2.5 years. Trust me, I've been through a lot, and that meant a lot to me. I was actually in happy tears, man. There was a lot of emotions, and my parents were like that. This happened in tea time, bro. They were shocked. My dad was like, "What the hell is going on? Why is this guy crying?" Bro, I was in happy tears, man. It was very emotional. But when I came back to the office and when I saw that my account wasn't passed, bro, the emotions took over. I was so pissed. I took a revenge trade. That's the first revenge trade I think in the last year. Bro, I lost it, man. And as soon as I took a revenge trade, I lost $300 in 3 minutes, I think. And then even after taking 1:7 the next day, a 1:1, $100 with this trade, it wasn't enough. And then two SLs, two SLs, it just kept going down from there, bro. It was a downhill fight from there. And now, boys, we're getting it up again. I know we'll get it up there again. This is how it works, man. You have to be patient. One mistake of losing that trade, bro, just got back. I know, guys, I'm boring you. Apologies. That's not the intent. I'm just showing you what's what because I've never seen anyone being honest with their trades. They don't show their stop losses. They don't show their journals as is. They'll try to fake you out. This is what I'm trying to do with this channel, bro. This is everything that you see. This is everything that you get with me. I'm here. I'll do it live. I'll do whatever it takes. Okay. So this is the risk calculator that you guys keep asking about. That's in the funding pips itself, boys. I'll just keep it to the usual settings so that I don't have to scramble when I get a trade. Guys, we might get a 3 on 3. Hold on. I'll get back to it. 25K account, 100. We're at 0.2% for 3 on 3, 3 to 3s. Entry price somewhere around 40, 51. This doesn't matter, but yeah, we work with pips. So test if it's 100 pips, that's 0. Yeah, that works. All right, guys, I told you stop hunt short from here. You're getting maybe this low if that's a 1:3 for you. See, that would have been the next trade I would have taken if this wasn't there. Short here, stop loss 100 pips above this breaking candle. So 68.73, right? 69.73, something like that. And then aiming a 1:3 as usual. So, boys, that would have been the second trade. Or if I didn't have this, I would have taken this. Okay. That's just for argument's sake. I'm not in it. So that's just me showing. All right. So, getting back to the questions. Get explain about zero funding pips. Guys, good question, Ganesh, bro. Me and my best friend, we were talking about zero accounts yesterday because yesterday someone asked me if that's going to work with my strategy because I know that Liz has an account with straight up live accounts. My best friend actually opened my eyes, man. He said, "Listen, I when someone asked me yesterday if zero funded accounts is going to work or not, I told them no. With this strategy, I don't think that's going to work because of the rules, guys." He explained it to me. My best friend, he sat me down. He said, "Listen, bro, you have if you take a 50K account, you can go back. You have 6% to go back, right? So let's do the math, people. It's a nice question, man. Let's get into it because I'm actually thinking about getting one, maybe after the first payout. So 50K account, you have 6% max drawdown, right? Percent, 6%. You have $6,000 that you can lose in the account. Okay. My best friend goes, listen, bro, if we are risking $50 per trade with stop hunt, there is actually what is it called? Consistency rule, right? Uh, with the uh, with the zero accounts, yeah, there is consistency rules. You cannot have big profits and then small profits to take out your payout. So if you're risking $50, if you're only risking, I mean, if you're only aiming for a 1:3 RR, you will have To get to $1,000 or even $500 for that matter, if you have 30 to 40% win rate, you'll make it, man. He did the math for me. I'm not the math guy. He's the math guy. I only look at facts. And if it works for me, it does. So he explained the math behind it. But I'd suggest you guys research this because it can work, man. He gave me a good reason and I was sold, bro. I'm going to take a 200K maybe. Yeah, I might take a 200K zero account with funny pips as soon as I get my first payout, maybe the second payout. Okay. Yeah, you can quote me on that. So it can work, but you have to risk very low. You have to have a very disciplined approach about it. You cannot mess up. You cannot let your take profits run wild because when you do, you'll break the consistency rule. They won't give you the money. Make sure if you're a very disciplined trader, if you're having a 45 to 50% win rate with a 1 to 3 strategy like this, you can take it, man. You can take an account. You have $6,000 to go back in. So if you're risking $50, bro, I'm sorry, you have 6% to go back. So that's $3,000, right? So if you're risking $50 per trade, guys, you get 60 trades that you can mess up. Okay, 60 trades in a row, SLs. You're not going to do that, right? If you have a decent enough strategy like this. So to answer your question, bro, take it if you want to do it. Yesterday, someone did ask me, I'm sorry, I gave you a wrong answer. I didn't know the facts. I thought the consistency rules was very tight. I thought it could not have been done. But right now, my eyes have been opened, man. Good question, man. No, funny, we should allow copy trades, if not tip off, not strike. Kong, yeah, I'd love it if they do allow copy trades, man. Bro, they are good from, I think they will build a copy trading function into their system. I'm not sure if they will, but if they do, it'll be nice, man. Yeah, I called earlier the buying candle dozed off. You're right, bro. It did actually doze off. If we were sitting in a cell again, we would be looking at a 1 is to 1.5 right now. Bro, Raj, I am looking at 3 on 3, bro. If there is a trade, man, let you guys know, man. How much experience do you have trading, and can you explain your adventurous trading journey? Good question. Bro, it's been 9 years. Guys, I've done it. I've done the long yads because it took me, the fear of getting to trading was, I think, the big part in the journey. Initially, when I started, this is back in 2017, I started learning about trading, okay? The reason for learning about trading was I was very young back then. I was just out of school. I mean, just out of college. You can call it school too. So it's 2017. I'm 21 years old, okay? That's when I want to make money like everyone, like a kid that's out of college. You want to be rich. You want to make it in life, okay? So as soon as I got out, I went to Google, said, bro, I want to make money. What are the best ways to do it? The first two options, the top one was become an investor, start trading. That was the first two options that I saw. And the next one, I'm not sure. I think a CEO or something like that. I don't know how to become a CEO. So I started learning about trading. That's when I started reading books, a lot of books. I read close to 20 books on the subject. Trust me, it was very cut and dry. It wasn't fun to learn, but I was so driven to make money. At that point of time in my life, I read a lot of books on it. I showed you guys yesterday, right? The book that, hold on, why is this coming in between, bro? I don't know. My system is getting hung up, man. So yesterday, I did show you guys this book. It's called Rule One Investing. After 19 books, this is the book I found. After reading 19 books, Rule One Investing for Successful Investing is the book that I found. Phil Town, bro, he worked magic. I actually started with that book. That helped me have the confidence to get into trading. So that took 3 years for me to get. So 20 books it took. I did do a lot of paper trading in the beginning while I was doing that 20 books. Nothing worked. Stocks, as you guys know, is very slow. Gold is amazing, trust me. And Bitcoin is much better. So after that 20 books, I did start doing stocks. Still, I was new, right? I'm a new trader doing it. I did lock up a bunch of money for 3 to 4 years. So I failed as soon as I got into stocks. I bought three companies, um, bro, actually good ones, man. Uh, Let me see if I can find them, bro. Gulf, Gulf, Gulf Petrol Limited, was it? Gulf Oil. Yeah, this was the company I found. This is way back in 20. Hold on. I'll show you where I found it, bro. You won't believe it, man. This is, yeah. 2020, bro. This was the candle I bought it, man. 17th November, bro. You won't believe this, man. This is the peak I caught with the stock. Can you see this, boys? That's the peak I caught, man. As soon as I bought it, bro, it dropped. It came back again, but I was looking for at 15 to 20%. Great company, good financials. Boys, read that book. You will understand the financial behind it. And it dropped, bro. It dropped like a brick. Look at this. It as soon as I bought it, man, it dropped. Initially came back up, and then this happened. As a new trader, bro, I'm sitting with my hands in my head, bro. This look at this. This is what 21st of November, and it came to break even at 5th of February 2024. So this is 2020, right? It took me 4 years to get break even on that trade, man. But I'll tell you what my fate was, okay? Hold on. As soon as it came back to break even in 2024, I got out with 10% profit, okay? But what happened was it pumped like crazy after that, man. Hold on, this is hilarious. So this is where I bought it. It was down, where is it? It was down by almost 50% since I bought it for the next 2 years. Sorry, next 4 years. And then I got out with 10% return. Okay, right there, 10%. Can you see this in between? So 10.048, right? After that, bro, it went up to 77%. It was a good buy. Trust me, I should have held on to it. Even now, it's sitting at a 60% profit. But guys, backstory, right? Getting back to it. All right, I am also looking at 3 on 3s. Nothing yet. Okay. So that did happen. And then I knew that I needed something else. So I was sitting for 4 years. I didn't have any profits with stocks. In between those 4 years, I found BTC out. Um, that's when I started investing in BTC. Guys, I did make a ton of money with BTC and crypto in general. Uh, yeah, man, I was doing very good with BTC. But the thing about Bitcoin is they manipulated it a lot, and I did get liquidated out of all my positions. And that's when I said, enough is enough. Excuse me. Let's get into proper trading. Let's learn how it's done on a daily basis, day trading and whatnot. I was doing swings with BTC, very successful at it. But eventually I did get liquidated completely. And then this I started two 2 years ago, exactly. Uh, Trading this was full time 2 years ago. Until then, I was just doing BTC, man. Uh, Trying to learn Forex and gold. Started 2 years ago exactly. Right now, bro, I think we've got to a point where we can be confident about the next 3 to 6 months. It's been going good. Past the first account, almost past the second account, second phase. Should have had a payout by now, but it is what it is. We'll do it. So that's the whole story, man. I hope I did not bore you guys. Yeah, I look at what happened to BTC, bro. Oops. Would have taken an SL there, man. Yeah, bro, that happened. That's the update on BTC. Guys, I did not take this. I won't be taking it anytime soon. I don't have the data to back it up. See, I did show you guys, right? I did start backtesting BTC. You see this? I did start it. It's just stopped in 2 months. I have to do more backtesting on it. Before backtesting, I'll never jump into anything. I need data for at least a year in all the three sessions. So I need this filled completely. Okay, I need the data. Tokyo, London, New York. If I want to be trading it, I want all that data. I want that confidence to go in. Okay. Right now, I don't have it. Hold on. We might get a 3 on 3. Let's see. All right. All right. Sorry. Missed a lot of questions there. So that's the backstory, people. Good question, bro. Only the trader who accepts and learns from his mistakes is a real trader. Correct, bro. You nailed that, bro. Exactly, man. Um, Still, statistically, nothing changed. The probe is too the probe is too small. Peter, in terms of what, bro? Statistically, nothing changed. Sorry, man. I'm just seeing that text, bro. Good morning, Zumi. Bro, did you just join the live, man? Did you catch that trade with us, bro? Or are you just joining, man? Transparency builds trust. Not everyone know that faking to build trust. Yeah, bro. Guys, excuse me. The reason behind starting YouTube Live or the channel itself is we thought of doing this after getting frustrated with all the fake people out there. Bro, this is the guy. No, man, I don't want to backstab anyone, bro. Not that I'm backstabbing, but bad mouthing other people. But bro, so many fake people out there, man. They'll say one thing. I used to have a mentor. He used to trade PO3. He called Power of Three. So it's an ICT concept that he had a spin-off of. Very good strategy, right? I did get the VIP membership of his. We paid, me and my best friend, we paid $100 a month for his membership. And at a point, he said, I'm going to stop the VIP membership. You have to pay $1,000 to be a member here. That's lifetime payment. We paid it. Bro, that's $1,000 right there. We paid it. And then, bro, we figured out that he's a fake guy because in his YouTube videos, bros, listen, so in his calendar, if you go see this, I've taken it off. Don't worry. I don't want to go through the hassle of setting it up again. So when you see the calendar, it'll be red and greens, right? So I'll show you what the days were if you were in profit or loss. So in his calendar, bro, he'll be having all green days now. All green days. I'm not sure what strategy he was using because in his strategy, he'll get only one trade per day. That's the maximum he could get because he was looking for specific setup during the New York session. So there should be a 15-minute candle 15-minute FVG that has to be tapped and an inverse fair value gap that needs to be taken. This should happen after a 4-hour manipulation happened. So very specific confluences, okay? It only happens once per day in the evening. That too that he was looking for. That's the confluence for the trade. But this guy, bro, took 15 to 25 trades every day to show that green in his calendar, bro. 25 trades, come on. I've paid you a premium, okay? I've paid you $1,000. I've paid you $100 every month for the last 10 months. And you've been faking us out saying, bro, you will get profitable and all that stuff, bro. We have paid almost $1,600, I think, extra. 1,700, something like that to him. And we figured out that he's a complete fake after looking at it, bro. I was so pissed, man, that happened. And that's the reason we started doing live, boys, because we don't want to fake anyone out, bro. This is all the data that we have. I am also a trader like you guys trying to figure it out, but I've been doing this for a longer period of time. Guys, I'm being honest, man. I did not catch this 1 is to 40, bro. See, missed entry, man. This is my journal, man. This is nothing to fake you guys out. This is just my journal, bro. See, in Feb, this only starts in Feb. I started doing this again in Feb. Before that, I didn't. I stopped taking the data, the journal. I didn't use the journal before that. I stopped doing that because I 36 SLs in a row, bro. That made me stop taking a journal, man. But when I started this strategy in Feb 12, that's when we started trading the strategy, bro. That month we only had 9 trades. All 9 were losers. Then started getting wins, man. 1 is to 10, 1 is to 23, 1 is to 2, 1 is to 5. I was profitable for March, and then April came back. We only had 1 is to 5 trade, 18 losses, bro. Only one take profit. So we were down minus 1 is to 13 RR. So that's what $600 for this strategy. And then I introduced stop hunt into the mix. This is in April, people. It gave me 4 take profits, 15 stop losses. So again, negative month, but that's when I was that's when I was trying this out, right? So initially I was just risking $10, I think 10 to $15, I think $15 initially to risk, and then increase the risk to $60, and then eventually increase the risk to $100. So this is all real time, boys. And then we started seeing the results. See, 1:3 this week was magnificent. A lot of take profits in a single week. And we got the 1:25, 12, and 7 slot, as you can see here. Great month, May. Guys, June could have been good, but almost a break-even month. We did take a beating, but we're not we're not out yet, all right? Great start to this month. The account is still in profitable, I mean in profit, as you guys see. Hold on. See, still in break-even, man. Haven't blown it. I showed you guys the account. This is why we started doing lives. This is why we started doing this channel, because the amount of fake people out there right now, I cannot count, bro. That's not the only guy I'm talking about. There are other people we did follow. They pissed us off. All that fakeness. They don't take it themselves. They go to break even just after 10 pips. Bro, 10 pips? Man, we got almost 3,000 pips with this trade, bro. Going break even after 10, the amount of money we've lost trying to get those courses, trying to follow these people, bro. That's very bad, man. So, I'm sorry, guys. These are all very important topics for me. That's why I'm ranting so much. Guys, I'm not ICT. I don't want to be like that guy. Trying to talk about everything else other than trading. And also, I'll have to keep an eye on 3 on 3. I'm sorry, man. I've missed a lot of questions. These are good questions, and I had to answer them passionately, bro. Sorry, man. All right. That's the experience. Who accepts? Okay. No, bro, it's not only you, but everyone has the problem. I was just $10 away from the first payout in my 5K until I blew that account. Solid risk management not to blow. At least you had solid. Yes, man, bro. That's the important thing, right? Guys, you can have bad months, man. That's fine. You can miss all these 1:3s. You can miss that 1:12, but at the end of the day, bro, have the risk management and the discipline not to blow the account. You can be down $1,200 for the month, bro. That's fine. But make sure you don't blow the account. Have the risk management locked down. Guys, even after losing $1,200, having the worst month of the year, we haven't blown the account, man. It's still live, bro. It's still kicking. It's still in break even, man. So that's the most important thing, okay? Having a bad month is not bad, but blowing the account, that's bad. Well said, bro, Ray. Good point, man. Um, I would have blown the account if that happened to me. Yeah, bro. To be rich, you need to find sponsors. Peter, bro, I need a sponsor too, man. I hope you be my sponsor, bro. BTC upgrade, we got kicked in the nuts, man. Sorry. Buy from here. No, bro. Guys, this trade is done. I'm waiting for the next trade. I will let you know if I get a trade. If you're still sitting here, if I get a 3 on 3, I'll let you guys know. But I'm not in any trades right now. This trade is done. You guys saw that. The TP is done. I've booked profits. It's closed. Um, Abdullah, welcome back, man. Very good job. You did a good job to yourself. Thank you, bro. Now I realize I'm not one who gets liquid. Excuse me. I realize I'm not the one who gets liquidated and trading journey, bro. Don't worry, man. Getting liquidated. Oh, God, sorry, bro. I need some water, man. Excuse me, guys. Getting liquidated is the part of it, bro. Don't worry about it. Initially, you're gonna get kicked, man. You're gonna get kicked in your face, bro. That's the part of it, guys. One day I'll show you my top step accounts, guys. I've at least blown. So when you see the blown accounts, right? You'll see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and you'll see pages. Guys, I have 5 pages of blown accounts. 5 pages, bro. So 8 accounts, 1 page. Next, next, next. Guys, there's been times where I've been blowing multiple accounts a month. But get this, when I was doing it with proper risk management. I was making sure that I was only risking $50 per trade. That was happening. Okay. That's the journey. You got to do the little step. Even if you haven't had the mindset to only take a fixed number of trades, that's the mistake that I did back then. Guys, I used to trade this strategy back then. Don't get it wrong. Stop hunt, I did not get this now. I used to trade this 2 years ago. But back then, bro, I was profitable. I did almost pass an account with this strategy, but I was over trading, bro. Every day, I used to take 6 to 7 trades. I used to take 3 profits and then 6 losses. Okay. That killed the accounts. I didn't realize that. I thought the strategy was bad. So I hopped to another strategy and then the hopping continued until I realized that, okay, it's not the strategy itself. It's just my mindset, man. So, guys, it's not your strategy, bro. It's just your mindset. So don't worry. I shorted gold 40.65. 40.65. Bro, that's nice, man. That's a good place to short. If you're in it, good, bro. He also take it's written 15 minutes ago about probe. Okay. Raj. Hi, bro. I'm just seeing your messages, man. Sorry. Welcome, bro. That's why you earn trust, bro. Welcome. Appreciate it, man. Thank you for trusting, man. If he's fake, why are you watching him, Hassan? Get a life. Bro, no, man. Don't be mean, bro. Come on. We're all positive traders here. We're all here to learn. Uh, if you think I'm fake, it's fine. It's your opinion, right? But guys, come on, let's keep it light. Let's keep it fun here, man. I suggest if you become a big trader, got training from Sarmaya app, side fires, much experienced trader. Okay, I don't know who that is, bro, but I will check it out, man. Good morning, bro. Mahesh. Hi, man. I'm doing good, bro. How are you? Thank you for joining, bro. Which books do you recommend reading? Ray, good question. I love books, man. At least I used to. I stopped reading books a while ago, but if you ask me if you want to learn about trading, I'd suggest you start with the book I told you guys. I suggest you start with Rule Number One Investing, best book if you want to do stocks. Amazing book, trust me. But the books I love, I did have a channel for it. I am going to pull it up right now. So hold on to your socks, people. I'm getting my uh, next page. I did have a channel, guys. I still have it. Hold on. Next page. Let me see if I can find it. Yeah, that's my channel, boys. I did work on this channel a lot. If you guys want to check it out, you're open to. I do have a lot of books, videos, what's not. This is an AI channel, so videos. So everything here, I've made it. So if you want to check it out, go ahead. It's up to you. But I've stopped doing this because that's a lot of work, and the views suck on these videos. I will put that link in the description if you'd like, on the chat if you'd like. So the monk who sold his Ferrari is something I loved. Rich Dad Poor Dad, definitely try that. The richest man in Babylon, bro. Amazing book. I've read all this. I've reviewed these books. This is one of my earlier channels that I've had 5 years ago, bro. The best book I would suggest it is Don't Sweat the Small Stuff. So far, the best book I've ever read is this book, man. Don't Sweat the Small Stuff. I've read it thrice, bro. 3 times. Beautiful book. So if you guys want to check this channel out, you're most welcome. The name is Next Page. That's it. So next page at 1812. You guys can find out. I did have 282 subs there. Yeah, man. So my tea is getting prepped. I can hear it. I've stopped doing it, bro. So no point subbing there. Don't worry about it. This is what I do now. So it's all there in the past. You're down to the earth and honest. Thank you, bro. Yeah, okay. That's the whole point, man. I want to be honest with all of you. Not here to fake you guys out in any way. I hope I'll stay that way. I know for a fact that I'll stay that way for the remainder of your journey with me. Trust me. Book link, please. All right, bro. I'll give you that, man. Hold on. Need that book link. Don't sweat the small stuff. No, that's just the name, man. I'll put it in the comments, bro. You can find it in Amazon, man. Don't sweat the small stuff. I'll put that into Discord too. If you're joining the Discord, you can go ahead. Don't sweat. Guys, this is one of the best books I've ever read, man. It's an amazing read, boys and girls. This will teach you life. I'm putting it in Discord under books, so you guys can go check it out if you don't get this. Must read best ever. So I've put that down on Discord. Guys, do check it out. All right. Sarmaya app, Said Faraz. Bro, I think I've heard of Said Faraz. Not sure, man. Let me check it out. Let me check who he is, bro. Will he pop up here, man? Said Faraz. This guy, bro. Is this the guy you're talking about, man? Arshad? Guys, I don't see any 3 on 3s yet. I'll definitely let you guys know. Okay, man, I'll check him out, bro. Side for us, right? What's the app? Starmaya app. Sure, man. I like new things, man, and other perspectives. I'll definitely check that out. South Indians are quite down to earth. That's the best qualities I like about them. I'm glad, bro. I lovely compliment, man. Well said, bro. For now, just one, man. Aditya, just read that book if you haven't read it, and then I'll give you another suggestion, bro. Good morning. Hold on. Praveen, bro. Good morning, man. Thank you for joining. 5 minutes FVG tab, IFVG tab. That's nice. Can you send your 313 strategy? Bro, DRK, that's in the pinned comments, bro. Just go to the playlist, man, for the 3 on 3. Again, you can watch the videos, but you'll have to wait for that sauce, which I'll drop next month. Hopefully this month, man. I'm putting it off for so long. I'll have to be working on that voice. Guys, we're at 792 subs. We just need 8 to get to 800. Lovely, man. Thank you. 50 likes for this, bro. Appreciate it, man. Bye, guys. I will get a call soon for tea. I will go back. I mean, I'll go come after 10 minutes. So it's just a disclaimer. DRK, yeah, man. You have everything almost in my YouTube videos, bro. I upload YouTube videos every day, bro. At least a couple of YouTube videos every day. Every trade that I take will be on YouTube, man. I told you guys. That's my tea reminder. So I'm gonna have tea and come back, people. 3 on 3s. I'll wait right here. Training becomes stronger and strong trader. Is training becomes strong trader in whole world market? Oh, he trains people. Yellow missed call, man. My mom. Excuse me. All right, guys. It's tea time, people. Guys, excuse me. I'll be back, but if we get a 1:3, I'll definitely let you guys know because we don't want to miss our 3-on-3 trade. It can be a monster. Let's see if we catch one this month. But hold on, boys and girls. I'll be back after 10 minutes, okay?
Guys, got a 3 on 3, so I had to rush back, man. My best friend called me, bro. That's the zone, man. Whew. I keep running back. Hasn't tapped in yet. No, bro. T break is not done, bro. Hold on. I need to put this limit on. That's 3 on 3. I don't want to miss this trade, bro. Again. So he did tell me the limit. My best friend called and goes, have you put the limit on? What's the lot size? 0.2. $29.25. Sorry, 49.25. 40.85. Sorry, 85. Oopsie. 51.05 would have been 45. Alright, boys. Whew. I came running for this, man. So, what's this? 49.2484. That'll be the sell limit. So the high is sitting at 50.1. Sorry, what is it? 51 is it? 51.4. Yeah, boys, that'll be the second trade. If price comes back to it. Sorry, man, I came running on the stairs for this. I don't know if this is gonna tap or whatever, but that's a trade. Guys, again, T break is still in effect, bro. I'll be back, bro. ஏன் பேக் டு பேக்கா இதோ முடிச்சிடும். Guys, I know we took an SL here, but another 313 man, right here. I need a lot size. Mapla, இருக்கா? அப்படியே நான் அடிக்கிறேன். Hold on, boys. I need to calculate this quick, man. 52.17, 52 point. I need this entry, bro. 57. I know, guys. I'm coming back to the chat. Okay, hold on. 70. 50.7.
You guys hear me? Yeah, sorry, boys. Got back to back slaps from 3 on 3. I hope you guys can hear me now. That's two SLs back to back. But green for the day. I think that's my trading for today. Two SLs. That's minus $100. But we're still green. We're up $200 for the day. As you guys know, I only take 2 losses per day per account. Sorry, for strategy. And then this one we already took a TP. So officially we're up $200 for the day. We're done. This trade, yeah, we got a big wick out. Guys, that's the trades. So two, right here, 313, took it, stopped out. Again, 313, took it, stopped out. That's how it is, boys. But imagine this, I took it, right? The last one, where'd it go? The one we miss, the one we miss flies similar, similar. So if you guys see 313, you never know which is gonna fly to a 1 is to 12 RR or 1 is to 20 for that matter. But we'll keep taking that. That's the best we can do. That's 3 days done for the day, boys. 3 trades. We had one here, right? That was one. That's back to back. So those are the 3 trades. Hope you guys can hear me now. Sorry, I had to rush back in between for that trade and again come back for that trade. Sorry for the hurry burry, people. So I'll be here for another 45 minutes. If you have any questions, shoot. But other than that, I'm just chilling here. My trading day is officially over. We're up $200 for the day. I'm happy. Yeah, my best friend back to says back to back green days. Yeah, 3 green days in a row. Let's go. That's hat trick. Let's go. Oh, that was here. Yeah, bro. We got taken out and then prices pushing upwards. That's fine. Because that's the thing with 3 on 3, 3 to 3, because very, very small stop losses, just a couple of hundred pips, maybe 300. So when it does tap and then fly off from there, that's how we catch bigger trades. But not always, man. There is a reason why we have a low win rate for that. You will have to catch stop losses in order to catch those big ones. So we got two today. We'll wait for it. Someday it'll come. It did come 2 days ago, but we weren't here to take it. That's fine. 3 on 3 on buy side. Yeah, bro, it was on buy side. I got hit, man. I'm not sure if you're just seeing this. I didn't take it. I got two SLs back to back. One was a shot right here in this zone. The zone was at 729, and we got a long. The zone was at 746. So 2 days, 2 trades done for the day. For that one, in the first trade, you already took a take profit. What an exit, guys! Again, like yesterday, beautiful exit, man. Price went off, tapped the other zone, exactly our exit point, and then poof, almost came back to. Excuse me. Almost came back to break even. Nice, right? Hi, welcome, welcome. Thank you for joining. Good morning, bro. Pratik, right? I remember your name, man. Welcome, bro. Your strategy is good, 3 and 3, but more work on this if you see level, then apply. Yeah, bro, Ashad. It happens very quickly, to be honest, because it's in the 1 minute. You have to be very, very careful with it. It happens like that, and it'll just leave you and leave. I mean, it'll just tap you and leave. Sometimes you have to be very quick on your feet in terms of calculating the stop loss, executing it very quickly. Uh, I did execute both of them quickly. Pratik, yeah, bro, I woke up late. That's fine, man. You did miss a good TP this morning, bro, and then a couple of SLs. So, but we're still up for the day, $200. $100 risk on this one because it's the biggest strategy we got. So we made 300 on this one, $50 risk, which is $100, a little over $100 because of the spreads and whatnot. So $200 up for the day. If you have any questions, I'll definitely take it. I do see some light coming into my room, so I'm going to take care of that. Yeah, that's not good. No, it is. That's fine, bro. I think you made it, man. That's all that matters, bro. If you just made it, just look at the entries, how that works, and just for references so that next time you can backtest it and whatnot. But guys, I'll take any questions until I'm thinking. I will stay if you have any questions. No, bro. Abdullah, that's it, man. If you're here for entries, that's it for today, bro. I'm not be taking any entries. We can look at BDC if you guys like, but I'm done in terms of the entries there, man. My trading day is close. I'm just doing this for your sake. If you guys are very silent, I'll leave at 8:30. Even then, I'll be here for another 27 minutes. Yeah, that's that. So the next zone might be this one or this one for BTC again. I'm not doing it just for fun. I've been asked to do it, but I don't have the backtest data. Those are the two zones. If I were looking, no worries, bro. I don't copy trade or come to life for trading. I just here to learn and get experience. That's awesome, man. That's the best way to do it, bro. You shouldn't be copy trading just for the sake of it because there's a lot that happens, right? I'm only here for 3.5 hours. What happens for the rest? Uh, rest of the sessions. You're gonna miss those trades. So if you just want to copy my trades, you're not gonna replicate my results because I'll even if I today I'm done. Today, 3 trades I got, we got it within the session. We took it, that's fine. But day before yesterday, the 1:12 trade that came through at around 11:30 in the morning. So that's 3 hours after the live session. So what happens to that trade? You guys can't take it, right? So I'm not live at that point. So I'd expect the same thing, Pratik, bro. Like you come here, learn, try to apply the strategy if you like it, ask questions, pick my brain. I'll give you my experience, what I got, but that's how it should be, right? Good morning, bro. Rajat, I'm late today, but took good trade. No target yet, but in the market, in the making. That's nice, bro. Welcome, man. Good morning. So if I copy trades in my funny paper account, then I lost my account. Yeah, bro. They will not allow. I've had people copy trading from different vendors and getting their accounts blown. You'll have to ask them, man. You'll have to message them in the chat in their own chat board, and ask them if the specific trade copy that you're using can be used, okay, with funding pips. Guys, I've seen my brother blow his account just because he used a copy trader. In that account, I think he was up $23,000 without taking a profit, without taking the payout. So he lost that account. They said, no, sir, you blew our account, you blew our rules, so it's done. Guys, always be careful when it comes to using trade copiers, bots, and all that stuff. They're gonna kick you, man. And losing an account is fine, but losing an account with $23 in profits is it's messed up. My trade was 5 minutes, 6:15 a.m. candle, BDC entry candle, almost near 103 profit. That's awesome, bro. 6:15, yeah. Ooh, how did you catch this one, bro, Rajat? Nice, man. Good push up from there, bro. Okay, see you tomorrow. I have 3 hours sleep. See you, Peter. Yeah, bro. I know you work double time. You're trading as well as working, man. See you tomorrow, Peter. Thank you for joining, bro. Definitely talk to you tomorrow, man. What's up, bro? I'm back. Hey, man. Welcome back, bro. How's it going? When I slept in the night, created alert when it comes to that level. Ooh, nice, bro. Good trade, man. I cut trees today. See ya. Let me know how that goes, man. I need some timber, bro. See you, man. You're the funniest guy I know, bro. Trust me. But I'm not sure you were actually saying that for fact or not. All good. Had a long day today. Bro, it's just starting, man. I'm sorry. You might be in a different time zone. Sorry, man. I'm just starting. Great start to our day today. 794, 6 away from 800. Let's see, boys. 11 years, so it's 10:38 p.m. here. Got it, bro. So your day should have been long, man. We're just getting started here. Good start, I think. Up $200 for the day. That's the best I could hope for. See ya, bro. Uh, you know, after these beautiful moves today, boys, I loved what Price did since this morning. It just gave good moves. Right now, boys, I'm not too keen about this right here. This, not amazing. I'd have rather had, good movements like these. This is when market is amazing, man. It comes, gives you a trade, pops off, and then even this, bro. Look at the stop on tap. If you have entered, beautiful, man. Beautiful move to the downside. How do you keep yourself calm and happy? Aditya, bro, I'm like you people, right? Keeping calm came with time because it always takes time to understand the fact that it's a process. Even after 2 SLs, it's fine. You only lost $100, but you got to see the other side. You got to see the glass half full rather than glass half empty. Uh, I don't know, bro. Even I get not, I don't say depressed, but I get down sometimes. Guys, taking four SLs in a row is not fun, man. You see this? It is a good question though. So where is it? 2SL today. Example this day, bro. 26th of June, man. That's four SLs, man. Two right here, two right here. That's four SL day. You've lost $300 on that day. It's not fun, bro. And after that, imagine you have to go through your day. I'm done by 12:30, right? I still have another 11 hours in the day to go through. It is not easy. Not all days are easy, but I try to see the bright side of it, that I'm making progress, that I'm meeting a lot of people, during my live sessions. I hope that I'm doing good. Even if I help 10 people in all the 40 that come through to see my life, I'll be more than happy. Even if I help one, bro, I'm happy. Try to see the other side of life. Uh, because, bro, Aditya, to be honest, I hated my life abroad. That's the honest truth. Because for me, my happiness was around my family, to be doing what I love, which I was doing. I was doing, corporate jobs. I was doing very hard work, working, excuse me, working 2 to 3 jobs when I was in school just to pay my tuition fees. So I had all that going on, and the only reason that I left my abroad life for that was that if if shit went sideways back home, it'll take 30 hours for me to get to home, man. 30 hours minimum to me for me to fly from there to here, inside the airport, outside the airport, then to the house. So that's a non-starter for me, bro. I don't want anything to go sideways. Even if it does, I'm here to take care of it, right? So I left all that. I'm just happy because I know the life I've had. Right now, I'm doing what I love, and that's all that matters. And I remind myself of that, man. Remind yourself, guys, you might have come a long way. Just look back and see, bro, I was there. Right now, I'm doing what I love. I hope you guys are doing what you love. If you don't, if you're not doing it, just take the time, build some capital up, or learn the skill that you're dying to do. Quit everything and do it, man. Have a backup for a year and then do it, bro. You will get there, man. The positivity will still come. It's not easy though. How many SLs you take per day, brother? Rajat, maximum four, bro. That's the max I've got, two per strategy. But if I take a take profit, so example with stop hunt, the first trade went to take profit. That's it. I retire that strategy for the day, and the next, uh, I do my stop hunt. Sorry, I do my 3 on 3, two back-to-back SLs. I'm done, bro. That's it. So two SLs or one TP. Even if the second trade is a TP, that's it. All right. So four trades max I take per day. And guys, you have unlimited days, man. As long as you're healthy, you have unlimited days until you're 60, 70, 80. That God will say. But you just think about it like that. Try not rushing it. Try not taking 10 trades a day, 20 trades a day, and then blowing accounts right, left, and center. How do you manage past 2 years? I bet you faced worst times ever in your whole life. Aditya, amazing question again, man. Bro, the last 2 years, yeah, bro. Last year. Last two was the hardest, man, because I'm trying to make it in trading, right? I know it's not easy. It was the hardest. Bro, I have a secret weapon that I use. Not, I should say I'm not using it. I do have a secret weapon. My best friend, bro, he's my secret weapon. Without him, bro, I would never have done this, never have quit my full-time job to get this going. I've had him to support me. He's doing the same thing, but he's doing it with double pressure. He works in Accenture, man. He's a manager there, bro. So he's also training with me full time. Again, compared to him, bro, I'm nothing, bro. He has a kid too. He has to take care of the family and whatnot. He lives in Singapore. He goes through double the time of what I go through. I look up to him and say, bro, you're doing amazing. You're still positive. That's what I want to be doing. And I've always had him by my side, guys. If you have a best friend that does worse than you and then keeps a smiling face, bro, that's the best motivation you can ever get, man. So I've always had him by my side, boys. Get a friend like that. I think this journey is hard, man. Making it as a trader, not an easy thing, boys and girls. No, that's why we have the community, interact with people in the Discord. Get a friend. If you don't have a friend who trades, that's fine, bro. Get a like-minded friend in the community itself. Just interact, start posting things, start talking to each other, and find someone that who can trade with you, has similar ideas and whatnot. The wavelength should match, and as long as you have that, push each other, right? We push each other. It was hell, bro. I'm still walking through hell, man. We're not there yet, bro. Yo, we'll only get there when I have enough fuel for 3 months, 3 years, man. If I have enough fuel to run my family and my expenses for 3 years, that's when I'd feel like, okay, we've made something out of it, right? Right now, bro, I'm still in hell, man. I'm still fighting, bro. I'm still trying to get there. But knowing that with all this hard work, waking up at 5 a.m. every single day, working at YouTube every single day, being disciplined day in and day out is going to pay off someday. It's going to come, right? So until then, just keeping calm and just pure execution is what is required. If that is what it takes to win, let's do that, right? Let's keep executing. Take one day at a time. Forget yesterday. Don't think about tomorrow. This is it. That's what I live by. That's what we live by. Because, guys, I've been having had I've had months without zero money, man. I've had zero money months. One of the hardest times when you have a family to support, when you have commitments to take care of. I think we've all had that time, but when you have a support system that believes in you and trusts you and helps you out, bro, yeah, I am blessed, man. I'm truly blessed, bro. In terms of my family, my best friend, bro, I'm very blessed, man. See you tomorrow, bro. Have a great day, man. Thanks for thank you for your knowledge. Appreciate it, man. You're welcome, bro. Please share today's trade logic, brother. Rajat, sure, man. Bro, this you can't see because price did not take stop on in the spot chart. So this was the trade. You see this, Rajat? Simple, man. Price created a low. I know for a fact that people are sitting down with the stop losses. Everyone who took a long there will have their stop losses below this low and below this low. For me, I want price to get to here and react, or get to here, this zone right here, and then react from there. Okay. So price did come back during the session. It violated our stop and zone, took people out who were sitting right here, and then a beautiful green candle for confirmation. So like that, what I did was put a long here on that confirmation candle. Stop loss 100 pips above this zone, targeting a beautiful 1:3 as usual. There you go, bro. Was the biggest stop loss, but that's a trade, man. Guys, all I do is rinse and repeat. It's the same strategy. It's the same things I look for. That's what you got to be trying to do. Have one strategy, simple rules. Don't complicate it with 1,000 things, and just keep doing it day in and day out, man. You'll get there, boys. Yeah, I'm trying to get back to that chart. Yeah, there we go. Bro, you still live. Hats off to your dedication. Thanks, bro. Arman. I'm alive, man. I'm still kicking, bro. I'm still breathing, man. Guys, there are a lot of sad stories. There are a lot of things that I've gone through, and I'm still here. Um, you'll get to know it, man. I'll share stories as we go along in this journey in life. So don't worry, bro. Thank you so much, brother. I'm going to backtest my strategy in comics chart too. So far, I'm getting 40 to 50% win rate in 1:3. That's awesome, bro. Do backtest it, man. That's all I ask of you guys, man. Just understand what I'm doing. Backtest the hell out of it, bro. As I told you day before, I'm very new to Forex. I'm just trading in demo since then. That's fine, bro. Backtest it. The backtest will give you the data and the confidence with it. And once you have that, bro, try executing with a very small risk, maybe $20. That's it per trade. You see that results coming in. Okay, risk $10. Take take it for a 2 to 3 week period. Just risking that much. See where you get with that account. If you're going in the right direction, start adding risk to it, right? So that's how you implement a strategy, boys. Not just put a strategy in and risk $1,000. That won't work, bro. Because initially, when you're putting in a strategy into your mix, you're not going to see it because it's new to you, right? That's how I missed a 1 is to 40 initially with the 313 strategy because I couldn't see it. It was right there. I was looking at a different direction, wasn't as clear. Your eyes is not used to it, right? So try risking a very little when you're adding a new strategy to the mix. And once you start seeing it day in and day out with all the backtest that you do, keep doing it. And then it'll start working better, man. Bro, I don't know why I feel like you're gonna shine soon. Just look into your discipline routine more than life. Routine more life, brother. Yeah, man, means a lot, bro. Kind words, man. Bro, if we get this day right, man, the tomorrow will take care of itself, bro. That's what I strive to do. Uh, bro, I'm lacking in a lot of ways. Trust me, I can do much better because I used to be a lot better. I used to meditate. I used to read a lot of books. Guys, believe me, I used to complete a book in 3 days. That's my usual time. 400-page book, 3 days done. I used to read 2 books a week. I've completed almost 90 books in that 1 year time. That was amazing. I have stopped all that. I used to work out like a crazy man in the gym. I stopped that. There's a lot of things I can do better in, which I strive to do. Hopefully, I'll start doing all those things again. I should be. Armand, you're my motivation, bro. If you think I'm doing good now, I have to be better tomorrow, bro. So I'll take that as a biggest compliment and motivation, my brother. Thank you, man. Don't forget me when you become big YouTuber. Rajat, don't worry, guys. Guys, we just have, not just, we do have 794 followers, which is good, but we are still small comparatively to, thousands of followers, hundreds of thousands and whatnot. But I never forget the people who support me and who with me when I don't have anything. Okay. Right now, comparatively to 100,000 subs, we're at 794. I get that. But you guys are still here, man. You guys are in the initial phase, bro. Even when I get a course out, I'll have 40-30% off. I mean, 40 to 50% off for you guys because you guys are supporting me when I don't have anything, man. When I do have things, guys, I'm gonna price that course at $1,500 or something like that in a couple of years. But when I get that course out right now, it's gonna be relatively low, man. But yeah, I do appreciate all your support, people. I know it's not easy to watch someone for hours. 36 of you guys are still sitting here watching me, even after I've taken all the trades for the today, right? Appreciate it, man. Building discipline is no easy task. Not everyone's cup of tea. It takes a hell lot of determination, and the devil inside never allows you to. Absolutely, bro. 100% agree with that, man. Building discipline is the hardest thing that you could do to yourself, and that's the most rewarding, boys. Because when you have that, you'll be the most successful guy in your family, man. I'll give that to you, bro. Well said, man. Okay. Love your energy. Thank you, bro. Thank you, man. Guys, I love doing this. I'm happy that I'm interacting with each and every one of you. It means a lot. Because initially, when I started, it's just me and my best friend doing live for a couple of days, man. We only had 2 people watching. It was me and my best friend. It means a lot, man. Each one of you, I can't name every single one of you, but thank you for your support. I mean, it's well deserved. You do make it entertaining and you answer all our questions as best as you can. Appreciate it, bro. Thank you, man. Bro, I'm the China guy. Bro, how can I forget, man? I know you live there in China, bro. Arman, how's China, man? What's the temperature like there, bro? Guys, it's not easy to find someone that interacts with you. I want to be someone that I wanted to interact with. And you know, this is what I wanted for someone, but my best friend says five more subs to 800. Yeah, guys, 795 subs. That's amazing. We're just celebrating, man. We're simple people. We love small victories. Yeah, see, we're just celebrating, boys. Thank you for your support. Don't forget about us guys spamming questions. I'm here, man. I'll answer every question that you guys have. What do you recommend? I have capital. I'm practicing demo on XM. Do you recommend me starting from prop firm, or should I deposit my real money around 2K and start the real thing? Rajat, you'll have to answer a few questions for me in order to give me, sorry, in order to give you a good answer, man. So, three questions, okay? Write this down, type it out, and send it to me. How long have you been doing this? Do you have a strategy figured out? What's the win rate? What's the risk to reward? Answer these four questions, bro. Because that's when I know how long, okay, if you can trade a real account or not. So tell me, man. Don't forget about us guys spamming questions. I'll never forget, bro. I like kind of hot, but not hell as India. It's kind of hot. That's nice, man. Bro, I heard that I do have a colleague from Canada. He was sorry, he is from China. It's been a while since I spoke to him, but he does tell me that some parts of China does get very cold, man, like -10 or something like that. Where do you live, man? And does it get as cold during winters? Keep striving. Everything will soon align with you. Thank you, brother. Appreciate it. Means a lot. Guys, I thought this was really good. We did take an SL here, but that's the part of the game. But after taking an SL, price is moving in our direction. That's good, man. That's good to see. But one of these days, boys and girls, we will catch a beautiful 1 to 3 live. Sorry, not a 1 to 3. A beautiful 3-1-3 trade live. And trust me, that will run to a 1 to 30 or a 40. We will get that. Sorry. Hold on. I'll get to each and every question. Hold on. How do you organize your day? Excuse me. Good question, bro. So, how does my day look like? So, I wake up at 5 in the morning and I start trading at 5:30. I prep everything. I go freshen up, then come upstairs to the office. Start at 5:30 until 8:45. I'm here talking to you people, you amazing people. Just interact, trade, and whatnot. And then after this, I go downstairs. Freshen up, have breakfast, sit down, play Clash of Clans. I do that for half an hour. Trust me, that builds a lot of discipline in me because every day I'm getting better with that game, man. I'm building my village every single day. I do that 30 minutes. And after that, I'm still trading, but I'm also working on a YouTube short in the morning. So I cut small bits of good questions that have been asked in the session and I make a YouTube short out of it. And after that, it's almost 12:30. The session is done. I chill for a bit, talk to the family and whatnot. Have lunch at 1, exactly 1. We have a routine. I have breakfast at 9:30, lunch at 1, and I chill for the next 2 hours. So 1:30 to 4 o'clock, 2.5 hours. I watch a movie or a couple of episodes, whatever I'm watching. I was watching, right now, I'm watching Yellowstone. That's what I'm watching right now. And after that, I come upstairs, work on the next video for YouTube from 5 to 8, I think. And then, bro, go downstairs, have dinner at 8, 8:30, have a walk with my wife, have some family time, and then hit the head, sleep off at 10 o'clock, bro, sharp. Have a very strict routine right now. But in the next month or two, I'll also add gym in between, bro. I want to get back into gym. It's been almost 8 months. I'm losing all my gains. I was a bit big. I was bulking up for a bit. So since I moved to this place, this house is our own property. We used to live in a quarters. My dad was in the army. He's a civilian in the army. He was actually he retired, so we moved to this place. After we moved here, my own uncle has a gym. Okay, right in the next street, boys. But I haven't been to it. I could just walk to it in 25 seconds. It's right up in the street. But it's been 8 months. I didn't have the courage or the time to do it. So much going on in my life. So once that's figured out, I'll start gymming next month or the month after. That's the plan at least. So that's my day. That's how it looks like. 3 on 3 on buy side, bro. That's it, man. Two trades for the day. I'm done, Abdullah. I don't look at the chart. I'm just here answering your question, guys. Um, I'm done for trading this day. No more trading. Stress is all gone. I'm just enjoying my $200 day, bro. You gotta enjoy small victories. It's a beautiful day, right? I'm trading in India markets in 7 years. Yeah, bro, you didn't mention that. 2 to 3 years profitable. That's amazing. I finally decided my strategy, which I'm using on demo. My win rate is 40 to 50%. Risk to reward 1:3. Amazing, bro. That's the information I needed. Well said. So, if you already have the experience, if you have the win rate, if you have the strategy figured out, if you have a 1:3, bro, that's amazing with a 50% win rate. Najat, this is my advice to you, man. Get a 25K or a 50K account with funding pips. Two step, okay? Two step standard account and funding pips. Get it, pass it. Once you get your first payout, invest 50%. Let's say you make $1,000 in your first payout, invest the 50% of it. So $500 invested into another account and then keep $500 for expenses or savings or whatnot. And keep doing that, man. Keep doing that until you have $500,000 to $1 million in funding itself. Okay. That's when the growth happens. So for you to start with a 50K, man, you've been doing this for a long time. You have the patience, you have the discipline. I'd suggest a 50 or 100K account, bro. Jump in, man. You've done it long enough, bro. Bro, I'm in Hongzhou. It's like near to Shanghai and it's raining here. Bro, rain you can manage, right? But if it's below -20, bro, come on. I used to hate that when I was in Canada, man. Having -30, you not feel like going out, bro. You know, if you guys don't know how -30 feels like, I'll tell you. Okay. Take 10,000 needles, all right? If you're covered from head to toe with your clothing and whatnot, the only place visible is your face, okay? Because you have all that covered. You can also cover it with half a mask or something, but your eyes and this part is visible. Take 10,000 needles, bro. Push it to your face, man. That's exactly how it feels a -30 to a -14. It's the worst feeling that anyone can have. Guys, when I initially went to Canada, this was in 2017. I'm from Chennai, right? This is hot as hell here, man. Hot as fuck, where I'm from. I've never seen temperatures below 20. When I went to Canada initially, bro, the first winter I was working outside as a, how do you call this? You've seen people in the street, right? They're approaching you for getting charity donations, right? I was a fundraiser. I forgot about it. So I was a fundraiser for a charity. I was working on the street. So remember, this is my first winter. I remember my first day on that job. It was -19. It was the 14th of Feb 2017 or 2018. I'm not sure about the year, but Feb 14. So it was the Valentine's Day. I remember it so vividly because I wished so many people a happy Valentine's Day. Guys, I couldn't feel my hands. I couldn't feel my legs because if you sell a sponsorship, if you make a sell on the street, you have a tab, right? You have to enter the details on the tab. I have to take my gloves off. So when I took my gloves off, bro, I couldn't feel anything, man. At one point, I started getting my tab near my hands because I couldn't feel my hands and I couldn't move them. Okay? I used to do this, man. So I hated cold, boys. This is just a story of me saying I hate cold. All right. Good night, bro. Have a good one, man. Oh, this is nice, bro. Tomorrow we have Portugal versus Croatia match at 4:30. Bro, is it Indian time 4:30 in the morning, I think? It's full of lakes, so because of humidity, the temperature won't go below 10 minus. Oh, 10 degrees plus. Oh, that's nice, man. Good to have the temperature, right? But how will my trades be copied to another account from my first funded account? I don't understand the system of funded accounts. Do you do my account gets closer after first playout? Bro, Rajat, I'm confused right now. So you said you didn't have a funded account, right? Do you have multiple accounts, bro? Um, do you want to copy those accounts? I don't know what you're saying, man. Yes, Indian time 4:30 in the morning, bro. Is it morning, bro? Oh, 4:30 in the morning. Guys, do you want to watch it? I'd love to watch it. I think we can in in my laptop. I don't know, bro. Maybe in the phone. Okay. But we'll have to be trading tomorrow. I have no funded accounts yet. You said you could invest 50% in another account. So happen to initial account after that. Oh, good question. Okay. The jet get to a point where you pass your first account, okay? Get your first payout. Hit me up in Discord. I'll let you know because my best friend, he has built a system where you can copy multiple accounts without your account getting blown. He's already copying his 25K account with his 100K account in funding pips successfully. He's built it. He's built that software himself. I don't know how he does it, guys. He's the numbers guy. He's the tech wizard. I'm just the guy who execute live. I'm the face of the system here, the channel. But the indicators that you guys see here, the 313 indicator, where is it? Right here. This indicator, he built it. You see this pop up. He's the brains behind that. I don't know all this stuff, but I'll I'll get that to you, bro. Rajat, if you get to a phase where you got the first payout, you've invested in the next account, I'll talk to him. He's looking for, he is actually right now in the testing phase. He's testing it with his accounts, very successful. If you take a trade in one account, it's going to automatically get copied onto your next account. Um, Guys, it's all in the pipeline. He also has figured out a way to automate, this trading strategies by itself. You don't have to do anything, just put your money in. The system will take care of itself. It's also in the testing phase. So guys, we have so many things going on right now. We have a course coming out, and then I'll start working on that automated system thing, and then the trade copier thing. These are all in the pipeline, people. Someone said we're gonna shine. Yeah, man, we have so much going on. In the next 2 years, boys and girls, we'll have at least 100,000 people here. Hopefully, that's that's how much we can go to. If it's a million, that's good. But like someone said, three more subs for 800. Let's see. Let's see if we get it. Yeah, bro, three more subs, man. Let's see if we get it now. But I think 28 people right now who are watching are OGs who've been here with me since the beginning. Um, Huge respect. If you have the patience to sit with me, even after I took all the trades for the day, hats off. Really means a lot, people. I'll never forget, man. I'll never forget this. If I know you by name, if I have any product out, hit me up. I'll give you 50, 60% off. Trust me. Bro, can you tell your observation for gold? Like, would you suggest for today in gold? Right now, bro, guys, if I was trading after this trade with stop hunt, I would have definitely gone short here. I'd have been waiting for that trade to play out. Okay. I would have definitely taken this shot if, again, if I wasn't in this trade. All right. That was a valid entry, boys. Take profit would have been right there. Trade almost got to it, man. Almost got to it. But that was the extent that I would have done it. But after this, I'm not sure what's going to happen. Excuse me. Valentine joined Discord. Welcome, welcome. DRK also joined, man. Sorry, bro. I didn't see that. Guys, I think we're at 149 in Discord. Are we? 23 are online, and then 126 are offline. So that is one more to go. The next person who joins Discord will be the 150th person in Discord, man. That's that's awesome stuff, boys and girls. I just read Funding Pips policy. They allow between our own accounts, even recommending some third-party portals to use for copying. Rajat, that's awesome, bro. Can you put that? Can you find that third-party portals that you can use? Because my best friend built his own, but it'd be nice to know other things too. Because to compare and to see how they work, and to actually price my best friend's system, I want to beat these guys in the market, man. I want to join Discord, bro. Please share link, bro. I think that's in the description of this video, but I will also put that link. Hold on, DRK. I'm just looking at your messages, man. I just replied to you in Discord, bro. Discord link. Where did it go? It should be here. Hold on. Yo use. I use Trade Sinker, but I do futures. Wait, I think your math gives to 152. Oh, did I do my math wrong, bro? Shit, man. Oh, sorry, bro. I did. I did blunder it, didn't I? Oops. 127 offline, 22 online. What is that, man? 149, bro. How does that wrong, bro? So 22 are online, okay? 127 are offline. Exclude me, all right? I'm already, it shows me as a member. So minus one. So 126 plus 22, 146, 149. Hmm, interesting. I'm not sure, man. I might be wrong. All right, hold on. Here the link for Discord, okay? I'll make I'll make Rajat the 150 guy, 150th guy, bro. I'm getting the link for you, bro. Don't worry. That's the link, my brother. You're right, Lord, my bad. Sorry, man. Yo, you, I might be wrong a lot of times when it comes to Max, bro. I'm very weak at it. Trust me. If you say sometimes I'm wrong, most probably I am. But this time, I did get it right. Yeah, bro. I think Rajat, if you join now, bro, you'll be the 150th person. You did ask me if I'd forget you. I'll never forget you, man. You'll be the 150th guy, man. 150th popped in? Seriously? Hold on. There we go. Liptiv. Lipitiv. Lipitiv is the official 150th member Discord. Welcome, welcome. Huge shout out to you. You made it. You're the 150th. You got in time. Hi, welcome. You are the 150th member to Discord. Congratulations. Yay, people. One victory at a time. It's 150 members in Discord officially, actually 151. GK also joined. Congrats to you too, GK. Guys, I do not see the time. It's time up for us. Hold on. I'll make my ending remarks. Congrats. Thank you, man. Thank you. Uh, Rajat, you are the one, bro. I didn't know that was you, man. Rajat, you made it, bro. You're the guy who was the 150th guy in Discord. That's awesome. I think, yeah, man. All right, boys and girls, been an amazing day. We've got 61 likes for this one. Awesome. It's always good to have successful live sessions. This one, we got a beautiful early trade right at 5:35 itself, and it went to TP with the 6:30 candle push up. Very happy. You guys stuck on with me. 26 of you are watching this. I'm very happy. Even if one was watching this, I'll be happy. But a lot of you, a lot of you guys always support me. I'm very happy, and thank you for doing that. We had a great day. I'm done for trading for this day. I'm gonna chill with the family, watch a couple of episodes, maybe a movie today. I'm gonna watch Avatar, Fire and Ash today. I'll let you guys know tomorrow. I haven't watched it yet. My bad. I didn't get time to go to the theaters and do it. But today I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna watch it with my family. I'll let you guys know definitely how it went. But guys, Yo-Yo says congrats. Thank you so much, man. I really appreciate each and every one of you. As always, so fun doing the live sessions. So many good questions, and all the best for everyone who's joined. I hope you guys have an amazing journey in trading. If you're new, trust me, you're gonna make it. Don't lose hope. Keep doing it. It's Erwin signing off. Yeah, guys, everyone have a nice day. Take care. Have a beautiful day ahead, man.